So how do you set Google on a Safari on the iPhone? And let's get started. So if you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials like this one. So what you need to do is to check out your settings app of the iPhone, and entirely at the bottom we have the apps section. So from the apps, naturally we need to find the Safari right there, and a few things which you can change in here. Like at first we have the default browser app. So if you have more apps like browsers, for example Google Chrome or something, make sure it's set to Safari. But what we are looking for is the search engine, and this can be set to Google, Yahoo, Bing, or even more options. And you obviously want to select it to be Google, right? So this is how you set Google on Safari on the iPhone. It just means that when you go to a new tab while browsing, you type in one word, like you don't even finish the whole URL, like you don't type in .com or anything, you just type in one word, and it has to use a search engine to look that up. And we want to use Google, right? So we're going to keep that, but you obviously have the ability to switch to something else. Outside of that, what you probably also are referring to is some kind of like bookmarks or something, because you can edit your empty new tab and you can add your favorites, and part of the favorites you might have your bookmarks like Google, so you can even have the Google icon right there if you want it. So depends on how you want to have it set up, but that's how I like to keep it. Now that's essentially everything I wanted to show you in this video. Now let me know in the comments below if you have some questions. Thanks a lot for watching, by the way, but I'll talk to you later in the next tutorials as well.